Hi there, Toady Maynard here from diehardforeducation.com, and I'm on eBay, and I've got a page up for the Roland VAD306 Acoustic E-Drum. This is a hybrid drum kit. Why do I say that? It's because it's a marry up between the actual acoustic system, acoustic drum heads, and acoustic bass drum with wood being included here. So this kit has wooden shells. That's what it has. It has wooden shells. It has a module. So like I say, brain. I call it the brain. It's a hybrid. Like I said, it's a combination of the two, of both acoustic and electronic. So this is because Roland makes electronic kits. That's what they do, electronic drum kits. And this one is a hybrid of that. So with the wooden shells, which see, there they are there. So you see wooden shells, there, see, you can see them there, and you've got your bass drum as well. So and then there's the other thing, which is what is it here? Not that one, this one. See these things here, which I'll get a better picture of that because I know there is one. The heads of these drums are mesh heads, so so that's what they are. They're mesh heads. So yeah. There's another one here, another angle here, just showing the same thing to the acoustic, the wooden shells. Yep, for this drum kit. And then there's these mesh heads. Here they are here. So it's a hybrid. It's a combination of the two, of the acoustic kit with the acoustic sounds and the electronic sounds. But the electronic sound is the heads of this kit. The snare drum, your first tom, second tom, and your floor tom are all wired into the module and or brain, and are wired up, and because of that, but the mesh head and that gives you a combination of the two because of you've got these these acoustic shells. Yeah, you got these acoustic wooden shells as well. So the two together make a different sound than an electronic kit would. So they just do. Then you see, and there's realistic hi-hat, realistic hi-hat opening and shutting, and you've got your three cymbals as well. You got a realistic hi-hat and a couple of a ride cymbal and a crash with this. So yeah. Yeah, which goes along with this. So that's how that is. And so this is it's a different kit where Roland has married up the two to get a realistic sound. This can be used live as well in any stages. So yeah, there's your bass drum. There's the combination there, same thing. It's got a wooden shell, and it's a combination between, there's the mesh pad, or the pad. See the pad there? It's right there in the center where the pounder hits. Where the pedal hits. So so to make that give you that wooden or electronic sound, which is really good. So this can be played in a small hall. The sound can be controlled. It can be put through a PA system if you wish. And there's a module there, see? Right there. So there's the module. There it is there. See? So it's on wood because it is an acoustic system married up together. So it's on wood A11. So, but you've got a few examples here, 50 kits. So realistic kits too. So they have really done some something special here. So, and you can use this in a live band, so no problem at all. Plug it in through the through the PA. Yeah, that's what you can do. And there's your outputs there. There are the outputs. There's your phono. You got your all your outputs there. See, so yeah, for the yeah, you got your crash 2 auxiliary. They're all there. All the outputs are there. So MIDI out. So you got, you know, for your drums with these shells, with these wooden shells. So this is a really fantastic actual kit actually, where the Roland has married up the two, acoustic and electronic, together. And this is the price for this is $4,279.50 Australian, or $4,776.82 New Zealand. So yeah, but this is this is this would be a great kit. You know, you could play this in a band, no problem at all. And you can play it in a small room. You can play it at home. You know, you got headphones with it, so it's not as if it's going to be a noisy thing. No, it's not going to be that. So there it is there. So you got headphones with it. So you can play with the headphones on, but you can also put it through, like I said, you can amplify it and everything like that, you see. So you can set it all up, and it's like I said, the hybrid, you know, where they with the wooden shells and the mesh heads, and it's a combination of electronic and acoustic, so which is really good, you know. So that'll be really an interesting combination, and they've made the sounds in the module realistic. I mean, that's what they've done. They made them the sounds. It sounds like the hi-hat sounds like a real hi-hat, open and shutting and all that, you know. So, and the drum still that sounds realistic as well. So that's what they've done. So this is a really good one. Okay, so I'd say if you want to get one of these, this is, you know, this is a good one. You know, you can use it in a band situation as well, or you can use it at home. But either way, you can control the sound, and that's the idea. You know, that's the idea, right? Because that's how Roland works, right? Yeah, but you get a pair of headphones with it, so you can use you know, an amplifier, and a couple of speakers, and you can play along to music. You know, you can feed music into it. You can do all sorts of things here with this thing, this kit. Yeah, so you through an SD card, so you can do whatever you want. You know, it's got practice samples and all that kind of stuff. So you know, I mean, it's a full-on kit. You know, got where they married up the two. You know, so married up the electronic and the acoustic together, and made the best out of both, which is really good. Okay, so and that's how that is. So if you want to get your Roland VAD306, I suggest you do, because it's good for a small room. Like I said, if you're living in a flat or living in an apartment or anything like this, it'll be alright. This one will be okay because it's mesh heads, so you can control the sound. Same thing. You don't upset your neighbours. You don't want to be doing that. So and you also got the ability to have the acoustic sound as well. So it's really good, really good. You know, that's just a hybrid kit where the two have been married together. So you get the best of both worlds, which is great. Okay, so if you like this video, smash the like button. If you want to hear more, click the notification bell and subscribe to the channel. And get your Roland VAD306 Acoustic E-Drum today. And I will see you in another video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you again. Bye for now.